Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Abid. I read in class 3 Orange in Multan Public School, Multan. Today I will tell you about Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint is a very good program to draw and color things. Let's start. First I will tell you about Cut tool. This is Cut tool. First I will draw a shape. Then select it and then cut it. Then it will be cut. When I will paste it, then it will come back. Another tool is copy. This is copy. When I will click copy and paste it, then the same shape will come on my screen. Undo. This is undo. Undo can reverse the last action performed. Like this. This is redo. Redo is the reverse of undo. Like this. Shape tool. This is shape tool. There are many shapes in the shape tool that we can draw. For example, I have drawn a star. Fill with color. This is fill with color. When I will click fill with color and select a color and click on a shape, then it will fill the color we have chosen. Eraser tool. This is eraser tool. We can erase any part of the drawing that we want. Like this. Add text to the picture. This is add text to the picture. When we want to add a text in our picture, then we need this tool. For example, I want to write here Pakistan. I will write like this. Resize. This is resize. First I will select a shape and then click on resize and decrease the size to 100 to 50. And now I will increase the size 100 to 200. Like this. That was all about. Thank you for watching.